At Fective, we understand that time is limited, and not knowing where to begin with your business content can be a real challenge. We provide you with a text template tailored to your industry, and then give you the ability to build on that foundation and make the content truly your own, specific to your business and services. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to select the Growth Site package on our website. Inside the platform, your specialist will then send you what we call a content form. Inside that form, you'll find a drop-down menu to select the right text template for your business. Once you've made your selection, your specialist will get to work installing that content directly into your website. So that's how you plan your content easily with the Growth Site package. To learn more, head over to Fective.com and click on Pricing. The Growth package will be front and center right here.